Magandang araw. Ako nga pala si Socially Awkward VA. At gusto ko lang malaman mo na hindi ka tamad. Wala ka lang system na sinusundan or wala kang system na fina-follow. So kung dream mo maging isang virtual assistant or goal mo na magkaroon ng isang work from home job pero um, ginagawa mo na 'to for a few months or inaaral mo na 'to for a few weeks pero wala pa ring nangyayari or wala ka pa ring progress, is hindi ka tamad, wala ka lang system na fina-follow. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ko sa system? So for me, when I was starting out as a virtual assistant, nung nagsisimula akong mag-apply sa una kong work from home job is meron akong system na fina-follow. And yung fina-follow ko na system is dapat meron akong ma-submit na at least 60 applications per day. So, minimum of 60 applications per day yung ginagawa ko dati nung nagsisimula ako as a virtual assistant. And ayun yung system na fina-follow ko. And ikaw siguro, I'm thinking wala kang system na fina-follow na yung tipong nagsasubmit ka lang ng applications, number of applications, every few days kung kailan mo lang gusto or kung kailan ka lang motivated. So, ayun yung problema kaya feeling mo tamad ka or feeling mo wala kang progress na nagagawa is wala kang system na fina-follow. Wala kang clear goal na dapat mong ma-achieve. Like for me, yung minimum of 60 applications per day. So if you don't have a system, I would suggest creating one today. And to be honest, hindi mo nga kailangan mag-create eh. Gayahin mo lang yung sa akin. So simula ngayong araw, dapat meron kang at least 60 applications na masubmit araw-araw and hindi ka titigil hanggat wala kang 60 applications. Because if you really want this bad enough, if you really want to be a VA bad enough, if you really want a work from home job bad enough, you will do whatever it takes. And eto na yung simula nun.